Lads and ladies, welcome back to another video. Today, I am going to be talking about something very exciting. It is something that a lot of the people I look up to have been able to do many times over, and last week, I was able to do it too, for the first time. In this video, I'm going to tell you how I made $200 whilst sleeping. Now, more likely than sleeping, I was probably watching anime or something, but somehow the title, How I Made $200 Whilst Watching Anime, didn't sound great. Actually. But nonetheless, the fact is that a few days ago, I was able to make $200, that's about £150 or 3,000 Rand, without lifting a finger. So, how was I able to do this? Well, the answer's, it's not exactly revolutionary or anything. Through investing. Naturally. So the other day, when I logged into my investment accounts, I was greeted with the very lovely sight of approximately a $200 increase in my investments. Now, I know $200 isn't a lot of money, it's not exactly colossal. However, considering the fact that it was in one day and I didn't have to do any work to gain it, it was quite exciting. Now, you should note that this was an unusually large daily increase, and most days the growth is a lot smaller than this. However, seeing this got me really excited, and it just made me all the more passionate about building up my capital amount in my investments so that I can generate $200 passively every day without ever having to work again. Now, one thing that's important to note is that I'm not just going to go and withdraw the profit and pocket the money. You see, if I take that $200 out, yes, technically I have a free $200, which was theoretically generated out of thin air, if you will. But what it means is that that $200 is no longer able to work for me. It won't be able to produce any more money. And so I'd much rather have the long-term benefits of leaving that $200 invested. So if there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's that you shouldn't cut your money out at the knees. If you make profit on an investment, that's fantastic. But please do have the self-control to leave it there, to reinvest it, to let it continue to grow. Yes, it would be nice to have that $200 right now, but that $200 is going to be worth a lot more in 10, 20, or 30 years' time. So remember, in order to fully reap the benefits of compound interest, you have to have the patience to let it do its thing. Thank you for watching, folks. Today's video was more of a shared experience than it was the sharing of advice, but I do hope that you enjoyed it nonetheless. Now, if you do want to see more content about making money, saving, investing, and building wealth, then do be sure to subscribe. I upload videos every Monday and Friday, and I really hope to see you in the next one.